Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD performance has been mixed this week amid general uncertainty ahead of the April 2 tariffs plan announcement. The greenback got a bit of a boost recently as Trump announced 25% tariffs on auto imports on Wednesday, but those gains eventually waned. Overall, the market is still pricing between 2 to 3 rate cuts this year, and the sentiment remains tentative ahead of the Trump's Liberation Day. On the JPY side, we got higher than expected Tokyo CPI figures today, which gave the yen a boost as traders continue to focus on the inflation data to decide whether the BOJ could hike more than twice by the end of the year. Overall, the market is still pricing around 34 bps of tightening by year end, with particular focus now on the unveiling of the US tariffs plan next Wednesday. Now, on the daily chart, we can see that after breaking above this major trend line, the pair continued to drift higher. There's not much else we can glean from this time frame, so we need to zoom in to see some more details. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have this upward trend line defining the bullish momentum on this time frame. From a risk management perspective, the buyers will have a better risk reward setup around the trend line to position for further upside. The sellers, on the other hand, will look for a break below the trend line to regain control and pile in for a drop into the 140 handle next. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have a minor upward trend line. On an intraday basis, we can expect the buyers to lean on the trend line with a defined risk below it to position for a rally into new highs. The sellers, on the other hand, will look for a break lower to pile in for a drop into the major trend line next. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, today we conclude the week with the USPC report and the final University of Michigan survey, where long term inflation expectations will be in focus.